Assalamualaikum, my name is Febrian Kustiwan. Now I want to talk about software and hardware. What is software? Software is a set of program that instruct a computer to perform specific tasks. I have the example for software is Microsoft Word, Chrome, Photoshop, and many more. The type of software is application and system software. Type of software. Application software used directly by user. Example is Zoom, Excel, everything in Microsoft. And system software is managed hardware and system operation OS. And example is OS and driver. What is an operating system? Operating system is the main software that manages the entire computer system. Function for manage hardware, files, application, and user. Role of operating system in daily life is starting and shut down the computer, running application, and managing memory and storage, and then connecting to the printer and the internet. An example of operating system in PC we have Windows, in Apple computer we have Mac OS, in open source we have Linux, in smartphones we have Android and iOS. The software is a soul of a computer. Operating system is the main computer. Without OS, software cannot run. Software and OS work together to make the computer useful. Now we go to the hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all about physical part of computer that can be touched. Function for execute instruction for software. The type of hardware we have input and output. In this slide, I want to explain about input type of hardware used to send data into computer. Example is like keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, uh, yeah, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and this type of hardware in output device. Send data out from the computer. Example like monitor for sending like picture, like video, printer for printing picture or text, speaker for like audio, for like music, for video to speaker because we need to hear the video. Internal hardware component is CPU. CPU is a brand for computer, or we call it central processing unit. Is example like CPU, yeah. And RAM is temporal random access memory. This is for more like RAM is for memory in computer. Hard drive is storage for the computer, for uh, file, for everything software in computer. We input in hard drive. We use to nowadays we use SSD because it's more much uh, more much fast than hard drive. Motherboard is board for we place the part of hardware in computer like RAM, like VGA, like processor. We can place it in motherboard. Power supply is uh, for power of computer for managing energy electricity for computer. When hardware and software work together, software like give the instruction and hardware is execute this instruction. OS act as the bridge between them. The example is like in keyboard we write my name is and hardware is executes instruction and it will come out if we use Microsoft Word. It, it will come out it will come out in the Microsoft Word. Yeah. The Microsoft is part in software, and then OS is the big for setting the Microsoft Word to be useful for we. So in hardware is a body, software is the brain. Both are independent, and a computer works best when hardware and software are operate in harmony. So yeah, if the software is good but the hardware is bad, the computer may be lagging because it's like no system requirement for the software. But if software good and hardware is good, is your computer is must be a good computer. Uh, Thanks. Is that is for me.